Hello everyone, this is a quick demo on how we can make a daily production transaction in iQ-Metallika ERP software. So for this you need to open up your Google browser and type in a URL here which is login.iqmetallika.com. You can see here login.iqmetallika.com. Once you log in, you can see our login home page. Now every user of iQ-Metallika has their own unique login ID and password which is given by admin department to them. You need to type in that ID and password here. After that, just press enter button to select the company, site and the year or the module in which you want to enter. So here we are defining our daily production, so which comes under production. I'll select production here and press enter. So this is our home page for the production module. Now when I'll move to the upper side, you can see transactions over here. Once I click the transactions, all the transactions would open up. Now the first one is the daily production, so we'll select this, and the form for the daily production would open up. So this is the form for the daily production. Now whenever you're going to make a new data entry into iQ-Metallika system, you need to press insertion mode button, because without pressing insertion mode button you're not able to save your data into iQ-Metallika system. So insertion mode button can be found on the upper left hand side of the screen with the green color cross on it. This is insertion mode button. Once you click this button, your form will be highlighted and you are able to save your data. So in this daily production, we are defining our day-to-day production with the quantities and the time period in which the specified quantity has been produced. Alright, so the production date we need to select. So let's say the date is 4th. Alright, now we need to mention the timing. So the format is, first we have to paste the date and then the timing. So let's say the timing is this. Now again paste the date and specify the timing. Right, you can see the peak hour, off peak hour, normal peak hour, all will come automatically. Now after this you need to select the item which you have produced. Alright, so let's say bars and rods. Now you need to select the size. Just keep on pressing enter button and select the specified item. In quality, let's say standard, and then quantity. So let's say it's 171.350 which we have produced. Now you can skip the rate, again press enter, and yes, we want to add more records. Now let's say re-rollable scrap. Alright, so standard, quality standard, and here it is, it's 0.960. Again enter, yes. So let's say we have produced end cutting. Again standard. Now the quantity is 3.590, and the last one would be, here you need to change, the last one would be mill scale. Let's say we have produced mill scale, so size, quality standard, and the quantity is 3.160. Right, now again enter. No, we don't want to add more records. It would take us to the consumption details. So in the consumption details you need to mention all the consumed items which have been used to produce this quantity. Right, so let's say we have consumed MS billet, size, let's say this. Now the quantity which we have consumed, so it's 170.300. right, yes. And again is, let's say, re-rollable scrap, quality standard, and the size would be standard. Now the quantity, so let's say 9.860. again enter, and no, we don't want to add more records. So when I'll again press enter button, it would take me to the electricity consumption details. So if you want to add, you can select the meter number and then type in all the readings, the current reading and the previous reading. Now you can just enter the few details which you have consumed by selecting the items and the quality, size and the quantity, and here you can mention the end cutting details. So there are different tabs which you can select and fill up all the details. Alright, so our next step is to save our record. I just came back to the daily production details, and for saving our record we'll move to the upper side, and you can see a floppy button over here which is just next to the insertion mode button. When you just click the button, system will ask, do you want to save record, and I'll say yes. Now it says your record is saved. My form is clear now. So this is how you can make daily production transactions and specify all your day-to-day productions in iQ-Metallika ERP system. Hope this video would help you.